You've been coming from Spain? Oh.
Yes.
I've been into Madrid like 10 days and it was like the best experience of my life.
Nice.
Everybody is very friendly and it was really good for me.
For the hair transplant on the eyebrows, I had like maybe 6 years ago an issue with my thyroid. So I have hypothyroidism. So
You use a medication?
No, not for that. So for 2-3 years I started losing my eyebrows, and then now the thyroid is good, but of course the hairs are not growing anymore.
Yeah, I understand it. And you had microblading and also tattoo?
Yeah.
On your eyebrow. Yeah. When did you had it?
So I usually do it once a year because I don't have any hair, so I need to redo it. But yeah, the first time it was maybe 4 years ago.
The last time?
The last time a year ago. Is it removed or it stays?
It stays, yeah.
It stays, yeah. So then I have to do this form, yeah.
Okay, now let me see. Let me check the other one. You have like a couple of hairs, but yeah, they don't count.
Really a couple.
To keep your own shape, because we always want to stay in the natural look. If you make it larger, then there will be some areas with really dark, because you know there will be tattoo on the top of them, there will be hair. And the other parts will be a little bit lighter. That's why it's not going to be too much natural if we try to extend the area. And I think this shape really suits your face, so we should be following it. Okay, I'm gonna mark it down right now. Look up, please. We're gonna open a window for your donor area. It's not gonna be a large area. And we're gonna do the incisions first for you. We're gonna number that you need, and we're gonna extract exactly the same number. The only painful part of the surgery will be the local anesthetics. Did you ever go to dentist?
Yes.
Yeah, it's not gonna be worse than a dentist visit.
Okay.
And most of the time our patients are males, that's why they don't even know what pain means. But our women patients are more stronger than males, so I believe that it's not gonna.
I lost my eyebrows around 6 years ago. I had a health issue, so I have hypothyroidism. Quite tough to look at myself in the mirror, to be honest, because I was 30 years old back then. I think the eyebrows is something that I never pay attention to in my entire life. It's just there, and yeah, of course, as a girl, you make it nicer, but it's not something that it was really important for me. But I didn't realize how important it is for your look and for your face until you actually lose it. I, of course, have to check the result after a year, because at the end of the day, it's what we are searching for, right? Like a good result. But I think I had a really good treatment from the team, and the communication has been very easy and very smooth from the beginning. They always reply to me to any question that I had, and I know I can keep in contact if I need to ask any kind of questions. So I think it can be a little bit scary maybe to come and do something like this when you don't know how the result is going to be, but I think it will definitely be worth it, and yeah, it will be good. Follow the true transformation.